we're back. We're just warming up the car, pretty much just waiting for it to get up to temp, and then I'm gonna do a Dragy pull so you guys can get a before and after comparison before going on ethanol. I think it'll be a lot faster. It's like 33 degrees out. We'll see how it goes. All right, boys, car's all warmed up. We got the Dragy ready as well. We made it to the gas station. I'm gonna show you guys how to calculate an ethanol mix. There's gonna be a link to this website in the description. Pretty much you just wanna go in here and you're gonna wanna put in your gas tank size. For me, it's 16 gallons. And then you're gonna wanna put in your gasoline ethanol percentage and then E85 ethanol percentage. I would just put this a little lower just in case. So I'm gonna put this at 80 just because all ethanols are gonna be E85 and it depends on where you are. So you guys are gonna wanna get a test kit to test out your ethanol to see what percentage it is. I just kinda say fuck it. I'm gonna guess on the 80, the current fuel level percentage. Pretty much how you calculate that is you're gonna use every bar of this fuel gauge as 5%. So right now I would be at 20% because 5, 10, 15, 20. And then that big bar is gonna be 25%. You just wanna estimate like that. Current fuel level percentage, I put in 20%. And then you're gonna wanna put in your current ethanol mix. 93 should be 10% ethanol. So you're just gonna put in 10%. And then it's gonna tell you to add 4.57 gallons for me. It depends on your specific scenario. For me, it's telling me to add 4.57 gallons of E85 and then 8.23 gallons of 93. And then that's gonna be a 30% ethanol mix. So that's how you guys calculate that. And now we're gonna go do that on the pump. All right, one final step. You guys don't have to do this, but if you want it to mix a little better, I would recommend doing this. You're gonna look a little goofy though. Here's my method. Basically just open the trunk, stand on it and jump around. It'll mix all the fuel in the fuel tank. It'll be good. These people are probably like, what, bro? It's so good. Now we got a map switch. All right, I'll look up how to do that. All right, boys, so I looked it up. You gotta hold down your cruise settings for 2 seconds. Your check engine light will start flashing and your RPMs are gonna flash up to 1. So that means I'm in map 1. You can operate it with your cruise control. So I'm gonna go up to map 2. And then once you've got your map selected, you're just gonna wanna hold that down again, and then it should be switched. So we should be all good now. We're gonna start it up. Everything should be good. We're gonna go drive a little bit, mix up that fuel one more time, and then we're gonna go get a log for JSR, and then I'll get a Dragy for you guys to show the difference between E and 93. Another thing I wanna say, I don't think we're gonna be able to do a dig in this on E30. I think we're just gonna lose too much traction. I can try it. I'm more confident on the quarter mile. We'll probably see what the quarter mile is, and I bet that'll be a better estimation for the difference in speed. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna go drive it and let you guys know how it goes. All right, boys, we're gonna get a log for JSR. So we're gonna get a log from 3,000 to 6,000 RPM. Ethanol changes the fucking game, guys. Ready? Control off. Let's see how she does. Boys, so our 0 to 60 wasn't that much different. I think we lost a shit ton of traction. We didn't get any traction in first, a little bit in second, but our 0 to 60 was 3.4, and we got a 60 to 130 that time, and that was 9 seconds. That's insane. God damn. The difference is actually crazy. All right, boys, that's about it. We were ripping it pretty hard on this bitch. We're gonna head back to my house, let that shit cool off. And that will help me get a better time is getting some bigger tires. I only have 17-inch on right now. I'm gonna need some bigger tires, some bigger rims. Hopefully we'll be able to get some more traction. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe for more. I'll have a new video out next week. Hope you guys are looking out for that. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for any new videos as well. But other than that, don't really have much for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Hopefully you guys have a good night, had a good week, and I'll see you boys later. Peace out.